In this video, we will walk you through the complete workflow for setting up your project. You will learn how to import your site images and ground control point or GCP data for photogrammetry processing. From there, we will explore how to accurately tie those GCPs to your images using both manual tagging and our automated AI tools. Let's begin by clicking on the New Project button and choose Upload JPEG Images. From this menu, you have the flexibility to either create a new site or select an existing site to keep your newly uploaded data organized in its proper location. If you choose to create a new site, start by entering your basic site information. Next, you will need to pinpoint its exact location. The software gives you 3 easy ways to do this. You can manually enter the known latitude and longitude, visually locate the site directly on the map, or simply upload a single drone image from your dataset to automatically extract the location coordinates. For this example, we will choose the third option by pulling a single drone image directly from our Trimble Connect integration. Next crucial step is assigning your coordinate system. You can select a published system from the standard global library. If your site relies on a specific local calibration, you can easily upload your local grid using a Trimble JXL file or a custom projection string. Here we will be using a published system and verify correct zone assigned. Now that our site is fully configured and selected, we simply need to give our new project a name. Once that is done, the project environment is ready, and we can move on to the next critical step, uploading our ground control point data to ensure survey-grade accuracy for our final model. To ensure your data is formatted correctly, simply download the provided GCP template and fill in your points and coordinates. Just make sure the very first row contains your coordinate system code, followed by your point data below. Once your GCP file is formatted and ready, you can upload it directly through our Trimble Connect integration or from your local drive. After importing, quickly verify your GCPs using the data table and visual map. Once confirmed, select AI detection. The system will automatically find the best images for each ground control point, allowing you to quickly verify and tag them much faster. To streamline your workflow, you can choose which AI models you want to run automatically as soon as the data upload finishes. Click Next to proceed to the image upload screen. Once again, you can use our Trimble Connect integration to quickly select and load your entire dataset of drone photos directly into the project. Once your image data is loaded into the system, take a quick moment to verify their locations on the visual map. If the coverage looks correct, simply click Upload to finalize the import and move to the next step. Once the upload reaches 100%, your part is done for now. The system will process your data in the background, meaning you can safely navigate away. Simply wait for an email notification letting you know that the AI detection is complete and your project is ready for the next step. When the AI finishes processing, open your project back up to begin tying your GCPs. From the AI detection we ran earlier, the system has automatically filtered your entire dataset and selected the clearest images for each ground control point on the left side. All you need to do now is review these smart suggestions. To speed things up even further, you can enable the AI verification tool. This permits the AI to not only suggest images on the left, but automatically verify and select the best ones that match each ground control point. You must zoom in to review its work before submitting, since the AI does not guarantee perfection. If you need to make edits and want to add another image, simply click on the desired image, and then click the green checkmark on the right side of the GCP to confirm it. To remove an image from the GCP selection, click on the image and just uncheck that green checkmark. Once every single GCP has a minimum of 3 images selected, simply click the Submit button to finalize your project setup and begin generating your 3D model. If you choose to leave the AI verification tool disabled, you will simply review the AI's suggestions yourself. Click on one of the suggested images on the left and verify that the green crosshair is centered on your target. If it looks good, click the green checkmark to confirm and tie that image to the GCP. Repeat this process until you have manually confirmed at least 3 images for each point. To save time, we'll fast forward through the first 3 GCPs. The AI model identified and tagged these accurately, requiring no adjustments. Instead, let's look at GCPs 4 and 5. These encountered some issues, so I can show you how to quickly troubleshoot and correct those points manually. As you can see, there's a marker nearby that looks almost identical to number 4, a genuine mistake given the visual evidence. To fix this quickly, we can use the map view to navigate directly to the location of GCP 4 and manually select the correct images from that specific area. If we simply click on the images nearby in the map view, then use the Add Control Point tool to drop our marker on the target. Repeat this for 3 or more images. As you select them, you'll notice a line appears connecting the GCP to the chosen image. This provides a quick visual check, allowing you to see exactly which photos are tied to your point at a glance. Don't panic if you don't see your manual selections immediately. Since these weren't the original AI recommended photos, they will appear at the very end of your image list if we don't remove incorrect AI recommended images from above. In this case, GCP 5 also needed review. We'll simply repeat the process. Use the map view to locate the true target, select the correct images, and use the Add Control Point tool to tie them. By manually overriding these errors, you ensure the entire project maintains survey-grade precision. Finally, GCP points 6 and 7 were identified correctly by the AI. All that's left is a quick verification to mark them green. Click the Submit button on the top right. Once every GCP has at least 3 images tied to it. Once you hit Submit, the heavy lifting begins in the cloud. You don't need to keep the window open. As soon as the processing is complete and your high-accuracy map is ready, you'll receive an email notification. If you didn't enable the AI detection tools during the initial data upload, don't worry. Once the images are processed, you can still run the AI tools after the model has been generated. If you opted for the manual tagging route during this initial GCP upload step earlier, your workflow will look a bit different. First, you would have to navigate to the map view and manually select the images located near your GCPs. There would be no suggested images on the left side. Next, open the Add Control Point tab, carefully place the green crosshair over the center of the target, and assign the correct GCP number. Remember, you must repeat this process on at least 3 different images for every single GCP. Since we opted for AI detection earlier in this project, you will notice that the green crosshairs were already accurately placed directly on the targets for us.